You can still go, even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Double E's out.
Champion!
What's up, brother? How you feeling this morning?
Hey, man, going. We can still go.
Hey, man, listen, man. Non-stop. That's how we roll.
Shit.
Hey, Stack Nation, Crypto Warriors, welcome back to the channel. Let's give it a moment here and have people join the chat. Let's see if we have the comments while it's join the live stream.
You know?
Yes, sir. Let's see. All right, I think we're live. We're connected. We're good to go.
All right.
All right, guys, just let us know in the chat if you're able to hear us, and we'll get going here. Good morning to everyone.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hey, listen, man.
That is that colonization mentality, man.
I've been feeling French sometimes too, you know? It's all good. Oh, man, that's funny. Oh, dude. Bitcoin. It's looking interesting. Heavily sideways.
It's looking Tesla like, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, man. That building that base is what I say.
That base, man. It looks too much like Tesla right now. Way too much like Tesla.
Hey, we'll see.
I mean, not the exact Tesla chat, but you know, when Tesla makes that little sideways move for, it's always quite interesting to see the pop.
No, absolutely. I agree with you. You know what they say is when you build a long base and then you have a long, what is it? A big move to the upside or downside, one or the other.
Yep.
So, yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. But I'm feeling pretty good about it. We have Wendy. Wendy Nichols is with us. Good morning, Wendy. Good morning. Looking forward
Wendy.
to the juice. You're laying on me this morning. We got you, Wendy. We got you. We always come through with the heat. Okay. So thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, Wendy.
Thank you, Wendy.
All right, let's see. Well, let's jump into this action. Double O, what are we looking at today? I know Bitcoin has really been sideways for the most part. And let's see, what else? I mean, it's just been I hate to say it's been pretty boring, right? But there's definitely been some good adoption news going on. Wait.
Yeah. Well, let me go ahead and pull up Bitcoin real quick. I can hear you. I think the internet is freezing. I'm not sure why.
Yeah. Internet problems, bro. This is why we gotta. Nah, carry on. We're good now.
So I got screen here. Skews all those wonderful lines. Let's just look at the price action. As you can see, what you have in those lines right there, the side lines are the Fibonacci extensions. And at the moment, it's been here for a while now. We said that Bitcoin is gonna bounce between that 0 and that 0.236. This is what we call consolidation for those of us that trade stocks or buy stocks. It's a good pretty consolidation sign here. And usually when you have a crossing like this, it's a bilateral movement. It could either move up or down. But we have what we have forming here, 3 dead scrolls. This could continue. But as you can see, we have that super trend line there, which means that's a good support. And worst case scenario, you can still get Bitcoin at 28K, 27K-ish. We can go and quickly take a look at what's going on today right now by looking at the 50 minutes here and the 30 minutes chart here with the Fibonacci on there. As you can see, it's already gone towards that 0 fib. So it's most likely going to hit 30K, 29K and bounce right back up. So yeah, if you're looking to buy more Bitcoin and you want to get it cheap, somewhere around 29K is still a good price. You don't have to rush to buy it at 30K, but it's still looking good at 29K-ish price line. That's what I've got. Oh, you're on mute.
I'm off my game this morning, dude. I was talking on mute. So Uh, what I was saying was, Bitcoin. I mean, if you notice, it's been kind of going sideways for a while. There are still people who believe that this is gonna probably move down even further. I don't think so. Right? I think it's just gonna be building a base here. But if it drops, that's fine too. However,
it could drop.
Right. Go ahead.
The only reason why it would drop is if the entire market drops, like they intentionally crash the entire market, which is the stock market. Then we could see that drop, but it's not going to 8K. Our analysis is showing a maximum 19K.
Yeah, I don't see how 8K is gonna happen. Here's some other stuff that I've been looking at. Just accumulation, right? Which is also what my article is a little bit more about these days. My article for today is a bit about adoption as well. So we know there's been just this continuous rise in people were moving their bitcoins into cold storage and holding there for a long time, and that has been continuously going on for a while. That trend is still going on. So I think overall, as it is right now, I mean, it's not really exciting. So I've probably not been doing a lot of tea on it, but I will share this. We can see that on the Lightning Network, which I guess, should I explain what the Lightning Network is before we begin? Before I explain this?
Yes, I think it should. A lot of people might not know.
Okay. So what the Lightning Network is, right, is a layer 2 solution that allows for faster transactions with Bitcoin. So one of the biggest issues...
What is layer 2?
Yeah, let's not go into that. It's gonna get.
I can help. It's like having the internet and then having maybe a software on the internet, or like having a website on the internet. So
Bitcoin would you say that is
would be the and accessing. What's that?
You're supposed to simplify it, Double O. You're supposed to make it.
Oh, that's not simple enough.
I don't think that's simple enough. Maybe I wasn't.
My fault.
No. Explain it again. I want to hear this.
Okay, so I was saying maybe a better way to explain layer 2 is like have the internet. So the internet will be Bitcoin. And then when you go access maybe a software or a website on the internet, that is the layer 2 of the internet. So the layer 2 will be the applications that you have on the internet. So an application that you have on Bitcoin is the Lightning Network. Was that helpful? Maybe? Was that a good example?
Apologize. No, I have to apologize, sir. That was a spectacular explanation. Yeah. That was amazing. I got you. Yeah, that was good. Yeah, so this is what Lightning Network is essentially. By the way, Antonio, yo. welcome to the stream, sir. So the Lightning Network essentially allows for quicker transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain network, right? And what we're seeing is that there's been continuous increase in the adoption of the Lightning Network. So we have this article here from Bitcoinist, right? Let me zoom in here so it's a little bit more visible. And it says the Bitcoin Lightning Network capacity reaches a new all-time high, right? And so this is the adoption of the Bitcoin Lightning Network has been on the rise for a while now. This is especially pronounced during the past multiple bull rallies of 2021, which triggered this acceleration in the adoption of Bitcoin, right? And so what is happening? I think this is very important because ultimately for Bitcoin to move up, we need this continuous adoption going on. And that adoption happens when there is use case, right? If more people can find a reason to use Bitcoin and the Lightning Network, this is all the more great for the Bitcoin network. So I thought this was very interesting, that we're seeing this growth, right? It means more people are learning to use these things, and especially in the environment that we're in right now with inflation and essentially leaders who seem to not have a control of what is going on. I think this is going to come in handy for sure.
Yeah, I have a feeling. This is an assumption here, right? That those transactions are coming from retail, because we had a ton of retail adoption after Bitcoin 2022, from all the different corporations adopting Bitcoin, which we're also trying to get in small businesses to get on the Bitcoin or on the Lightning Network, which actually is much cheaper than the POS system, and it removes the middleman, the banks, from the system as well. So that way you can transact directly with your customer without the banks getting involved. I know there could be some questions about how does that impact my company's credits, my the available cash that I have. There are institutions out there that will look at the value of Bitcoin or your cryptocurrencies. So this adoption is coming a lot from the retail space, which is good news. Very, very extreme good news for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not going anywhere, especially when you start having more retail adoption.
Exactly. What do you have this week before your crypto articles of the week?
Go into what I have this week. Yeah. Before I go into what I have this week, we have Finn over there saying, "Hey, dudes, we have been here. Hello."
Hey, what's up, Finn? How you feeling?
Yep, thank you. And Antonio's like, yep, a lot of people don't know about Bitcoin, about the Lightning Network. The government won't know what hit them once it goes mainstream. It's coming quick too, but it's silent. It's coming quick.
It's going to be quick but silent. If you ever want to open Lightning channels together, hit me up. Hey, wait, check this out. So Antonio says if we want to open up a Lightning channel together, we should hit him up. Antonio, I'm going to hit you up on that one because we're talking about that. So I ordered some parts, man. We're gonna start building a Bitcoin node, right? So we already have some parts here. Once I do, definitely, man, let's open some Lightning channels, man, and I guess make some satoshis from man, make some satoshis from transactions. I like that, sir. I got you.
We're doing this on the side, Talk about residual income.
Exactly. Hey, man, multiple sources. I'm about to be on my Ty Lopez type, Go ahead.
All right. So what we got here today is Alibaba.
Right.
I have some Baba on the side. This article is from investing.com. But I think it's coming from actually another website. Investing.com is another one of those good resources if you're in the markets and also if you're in the crypto space. They collect a lot of data for everything. And I was reading this article last night and I was like, man, I got to talk about this tomorrow morning. And interestingly enough, investing.com also has it. So Baba for a while has been crashing. I'm not sure if you invest in the market and if you have any Baba stocks. But yes, Baba has been crashing. But I bought one I thought it reached the bottom, but it's gone further to the bottom. Interestingly enough, Baba has been coming back up slowly lately. So not financial advice. If you want to invest in NFTs, but not directly in buying the images and the little snapshots, Baba could be another interesting play. Reason why is that Baba is now creating this cloud type solution. By the way, NFTs are not decentralized at the moment because of decentralized organizations. All regulated. So, centralized organizations are slowly taking it over right now. But interestingly enough, there's this article here that is showing Baba, which we all know is China controlled. So it coming in with the cloud NFT play. Don't you for one second think that China is taking the ends off of this thing, man. They're going to make money off of it. And this article here is talking about Baba setting the CDNs up, the content delivery network up for NFTs. And as you know, Baba, like Amazon, has this old load balancer ensuring that, you can access all this, all your NFTs and all your cloud solutions. So yeah. Keep an eye out for Baba. If you are interested in NFTs but don't want to buy NFTs directly, I think it will be an interesting play as well. Not financial advice.
It's probably the safest way to do it at this point, considering the amount of rock pulling that is going on. But it's at the same time, Baba is not my cup of tea. Carry on.
China. Oh man, if I keep China the way I'm saying China right now, man, I'll probably never be able to go to China. Oh man.
I really think I cannot go. I really think I cannot go there, so I think I'm not sure why.
They got a tiger dust now by this one. Don't worry, China, we love you. Sure, I still got my New York stuff.
Wait, if I want to see them, actually, I will go to Africa if I want to, But carry on. That's
a little punch. That's a little punch on the side right there.
Hey, it is what it is.
That said, though, the next topic for the day is Charles Schwab and Fidelity developing crypto platform with market makers. I find this super interesting that there's an action for a company like Thurday, also working with Fidelity to develop an exchange for you to start trading crypto. If you don't have people like me that don't have all their coins on the head on one of these yet, you should probably start working on that, because this means that
yeah,
there's gonna be a lot more manipulation coming into the space.
Why haven't you moved your coins yet, bro? What's going on with that? Actually,
Lazy
before we
as
get
me,
into that,
I
I just
don't
want
mind
to point this out. Wendy dropped a comment here, and I thought this was really cool. Wendy says, when people understand the Lightning Network, they should share it with every business they frequent. Right? In this environment, what business wouldn't want to save 2%? I think that is a very good point.
Every 2% of every transaction helps a lot.
Yeah, I think what do they have? If you're running a Lightning node, you can use a BTC Pay server, which allows you to essentially be your own point of sale system and eliminate those fees. So, very good point there.
Yep.
Carry on, sir. We're asking why you have not moved your coins to the wallet yet.
That's why.
True that. Anyway,
It will get done. That said, though, So this is coming, guys. So if you're watching right now, don't believe the fraud that crypto is dead. This is the end of crypto. Citadel, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, getting involved in exchanges. This tells you a lot. This industry is not going anywhere, and this bear market, or this winter, you want to call it, get in there. Not financial advice. Bitcoin. I know folks are like, folks like you. I know you like the Bitcoin, but if this big money are throwing money at Ethereum, man, I'm as well eventually owed one Ethereum, so that my $1,000 Ethereum can become $180,000 Ethereum. It's still a good investment,
I mean, look, man, there's different investment strategies, man. I think anyone can do whatever they want. There is no restrictions to these things. But I think Citadel is, when I think of Citadel, I think of the Robin Hood situation. Untrustworthy people getting into the crypto space. What are their motives? I don't know. But it's interesting, because when you're full Bitcoin, right? There's some of these things that you just look at it and you're like, how is that going to affect Bitcoin? But nonetheless, ultimately, the bottom line is that these moves are great for adoption, right? It's just a reflection of the growth within the space. Ultimately, it's about finding the right places to be and investing in the right things, so that when things move, eventually, right, what is going to be the next Amazon, or what is going to be the next Tesla, sort of thing. So I think and this is why we still do a lot of research across the whole market, stocks and crypto. So absolutely.
Finn said, curious if y'all saw the pump in Miami coin. I was not. I think it was around 11 or 12 p.m. And my OK coin went poop, 80% pump on Miami coin. I was like, choo. Yes, I saw that pump. Miami coin is the new Amazon.
Oh no. Yeah, how did it? So he says, haven't been able to trade on OKCoin in weeks. I stopped trading on OKCoin recently. Not sure how they got this much volume, if most people are having the same problem. Have you been able to sell?
I'm not selling shit. I mean, shoot. And I have Miami, bro. So my Miami coin gets me some stacks, and my stacks gets me some Bitcoin. That's my cycle right now. My USD
so it's probably
is
locked
right
anyway.
now. Yeah. So I got it locked up, just making my good money right there. So yeah, I'm seeing that, Actually, this is not the first time it popped. About a month ago, it popped like almost 90%. So I had a lot of profit, but I didn't sell. So right now I'm just accumulating stacks with my Miami coin, and then from that I get some Bitcoin as well. So see how that goes. Awesome. But yes, Finn, we did see that happen. Antonio was like, isn't Jack Ma still in hiding? Baba's fully controlled by China.
Is he in hiding?
That is true.
Did they take him somewhere?
They just shut him up, man. But he's still doing work,
Okay. Well, hey, it's a scary place to be.
If China comes to stack and so, what happens if China comes to stack and like, stack, we'll give you $1 million.
And they said they're giving us $1 million. Well, I'll tell him to go back to where he came from, man. Because if you think all I'm worth is $1 million, then I should, that's disrespect to begin with, son. You know what I'm saying? So go adjust your checkbook and then come back when you're able to call numbers higher than 1 million. That's what I'll say. You know what I'm saying? Hey,
Give me 100
look,
Bitcoin,
man. Suckers! We're out of time, so let's get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been fun. I'm not sure what happened with our internet. Hopefully it wasn't too bad, but
Yeah.
hope you guys found the show informative. If you guys have something you'd like for us to do a video on during the week or at any time, I'm actually going to be doing a video on how to use or how to read the mempool later on this week. So if you have any ideas of videos you would like to see from us, just drop it in the comments or tweet us, and we're going to work on something for it, right? Any final thoughts, sir, before we roll out?
Man, that was a good show. You know, just keep an eye out for those NFTs, you know, coming through Barber. You know, Bitcoin is sliding to the slide, you know, but, you know, we've seen something similar like this with Tesla. And what happens with Tesla, man, is pop it. So that's it, though. It's been a fun show. That's what we got for you today.
Amazing. Crypto Warriors, Stagnation. Until next time. Oh, wait, before we go, I just want to let everyone know that this is my new official hat, by the way. You'll probably never see me without this hat anymore. Okay?
The chief is here.
Hey, man, look, I'll sell this hat as an NFT one day. Right now, I'm valuing it at $75,000. That's just for beginners.
Utility, it covers your head.
Yes, it
and
covers
it's been
my
on
head.
the Stack
Exactly.
Show.
There we go. Right. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, brazen out.
Double O out.